Hi everyone, welcome to another session of Tech Discussion with Sama. Today we will discuss on a new topic, and the topic is pre-sales. Okay, so what is pre-sales? So in a simple word, if I say pre-sale is a process of finding a new customer and process of selling your products. Okay, so in the IT industry, pre-sales activities are crucial for understanding customer needs, crafting solutions, and building strong relationships. Let's discuss the common pre-sales steps in the IT industry. Okay, so our first discussion point is research and analysis. Begin by researching the market, industry trends, and potential customers. Understand their pain points, challenges, and requirements. Analyze their existing infrastructure, technology stack, and business goals to gain insights and identify opportunities. Next discussion point is lead generation and qualification. Okay, so generate leads through various channels like networking, referrals, marketing campaigns, and online platforms. Qualify leads based on their fit with your product or service offerings, budget, timeline, and decision making authority. Next point is needs assessment. So basically what you have to do is you have to engage with potential customers to understand their specific needs and requirements. Conduct detailed discussions, interviews, and discovery sessions to gather information about their current systems, pain points, and desired outcomes. So this helps you tailor your solutions to their unique needs. Next discussion point is solution design and proposals. Okay, so based on the gathered information, what you have to do is you have to design a customized solution that addresses the customer's requirements and aligns with their goals. Okay, create a comprehensive proposal detailing the solution architecture, features, benefits, implementation plan, timeline, and pricing. Next discussion point is product demonstrations and presentations. Okay, so basically what you have to do is you have to conduct a product demonstrations or presentations to showcase the value and capabilities of your solution. Okay, highlight how your offering solves the customer challenges, improves efficiency, and delivers tangible benefits. Next point which we are going to discuss, that is proof of concept, that is POCs. Okay, so in some cases customers may request a POC or pilot project to validate the proposed solution's feasibility or effectiveness. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to work closely with the customer to plan, implement, and evaluate the POC, ensuring it aligns with their expectation. Next discussion point is technical consultation and solution alignment. So here what you have to do is you have to provide a technical consultation and address any concerns or questions the customer may have regarding the proposed solution. Okay, you have to collaborate with the internal technical teams to ensure the solution aligns with the customer's existing infrastructure and technical requirements. Next discussion point is collaboration with sales and account management. Okay, so here what you have to do is you have to work closely with the sales team and account managers to ensure a coordinated approach throughout the pre-sale process. Okay, so you have to align on the customer's need, communication strategies, and proposal presentations to provide a seamless customer experience. Next discussion point is relationship building. Okay, so you have to focus on building strong relationships with the customer. Okay, you have to maintain a regular communication, address queries promptly, and provide ongoing support during the pre-sale stage. Okay, so this helps establish trust, showcase expertise, and lay a foundation for successful collaboration. Next discussion point is contract negotiation. Okay, so here what you have to do is you have to collaborate with the legal and sales team to finalize contract terms, pricing and other commercial aspects. Okay, so you have to ensure all parties agree on the terms and conditions before moving forward with the deal. So that was the last step, and you have to remember the pre-sales process can vary depending on the specific IT products or services being offered, the complexity of the solutions and the industry you operate in. Okay, so it's important to adapt these steps to fit your organization's unique pre-sales approach and customer requirements. So that is all for today's session. I hope this video is informative and helpful. I also hope that you like this video. Please let me know if you have any queries or points to discuss in the comment section. Okay, so we will meet in another session with a different topic. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.